In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your book reading in Airtable. Let's start by getting into Airtable on your desktop. Once you're logged in, create a fresh workspace by selecting Add a Base and choosing Start from Scratch. If you already have a base you like, feel free to open that instead. Everything we're about to do works either way. Rename the first table to Books so it's clear what lives here. Now add the fields that will power your tracker. Create book title as a single line text field, then author as single line text. Add genre as a single select so you can pick consistent categories. Add status as a single select with 3 options: not started, reading, and finished. Create start date and finish date as date fields, and finally add rating. Rating can be a number if you like decimals, or a single select if you would prefer choices like 1 through 5 for quick taps. To visualize momentum, add a progress, a percent field. You can make it a simple number you update as you read, or use a formula later if you standardize your calculations. Even a manual percentage gives you a quick snapshot of how far you are in each book. Next, create a few helpful views. A currently reading view shows only books with the status set to reading. A finished books view helps you look back on what you've completed. A not started view keeps your pipeline visible, and recently added is perfect when you want to see the newest entries first. Now sort and filter your reading list. Try sorting by status to group your queue, by rating to bubble up favorites, or by finish date to see your recent completions. Use filters to show only active reads or only completed books. If you need the website, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description so you can open it and follow along. Add simple automations to reduce busy work. Set up an automation that watches for status changing to finished, then automatically writes the current date into finish date. You can also trigger a notification when a book is marked complete, so you never skip logging your rating. Finally, maintain your reading system. Review your list regularly, add new books as they come up, update progress as you read, and archive old entries when they're no longer relevant so your views stay clean. That's how you can track your book reading in Airtable and stay consistent with your reading habit. Thanks for watching.